Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Lyon Car Show and we have the exclusive chance to see the new Škoda Superb Combi. This is the new 4th generation model and it will be revealed very soon. Here you can see it with the camo wrap, but you can get a sense of how the car will look like. Let's take a look at this front with the new LEDs, the matrix LEDs, and then you see the air inlets in here. Lower section of the bumper, which is completely new, and the new front grille. You can spot the badge under the wrap here, and the bonnet has got this interesting shape. And overall, I really love the appearance of this car. Of course, it will look so impressive without the camo wrap, but what we can already see without the wrap is this. Here's the official picture of the new Superb's interior. So as you can see, completely new with the new steering wheel, 2-spoke one, digital cockpit, the freestanding screen, and the new dashboard design as well. Also some smart features in here and the big central console. The world premiere will be very soon, so stay tuned for that as well. Now let us move on to the side of the car. Very muscular appearance, and this is the estate version. There will also be the limousine, of course. Now here I can show you the interior, but of course this is not the production model, and therefore you see the shape of the interior, but the official photo is the one that you should look, as that is how the interior will look like. Let us now move on to the rear of the car. There we go, and here you can spot the lights, of course, just one small piece of them. I think this will look so impressive. I can't wait for the world premiere, and I can't wait to show you all the details. You see here, for example, a very pronounced rear spoiler, and of course for aerodynamics. And yeah, tell me in the comments, how do you like the design of the car? And stay tuned for the full reveal, of course, which is coming soon. So at the start of November, there will be a full reveal of this car. Tell me in the comments, how do you like it? And now let's talk about some technical details that we already know. For example, the powertrains, there will be many options available: petrol, diesel, mild hybrid, and plug-in hybrid, with range of around 100 kilometers just on the electric power. Also, we know that the trunk space for this Combi, so the estate version, will be 690 liters. So how impressive is that? We know that Škoda has always been famous for its practicality, but 690 liters, that is so impressive. And yeah, well, tell me in the comments, what would be your choice of powertrain for this model? And yeah, I want to hear your thoughts. And would you go for the Combi version, or would you pick the limousine? And that's it for now from Lyon. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for the full reveal, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.